This project's called Bicycles. We're in multi-project 1 for Word. The first step tells us to go to page 2, and between the section headings Affordable Pricing and Contact Us, we're going to go ahead and insert an Excel file. So I've gone ahead and I put my cursor in between those two sections. I'm going to go to the Insert tab, and all the way to the right over here, you have Object. Now, if I click the drop-down box, you have Object and Text from File. Now, this is an Excel file, so I actually want Object here. We're going to click Create from File. We're going to click Browse. And this is where you're going to want to go to your documents if it's not there, and then scroll down to your GMetrix folder. And then we're looking for the Bicycle Pricing Excel file. If you're not sure, you have the file extensions over here. We'll click Insert, and then we're going to go ahead and click OK. And the table is going to load into this section. Go ahead and mark Complete. Alright, we're going back to page 1, and it says that we're going to add a hyperlink to the bicycle advantages. So I'm going to highlight my text. Now I could right click, but I'm going to show you on the Insert tab where this is. So we're going over to Hyperlink, and we want to make sure we're on an existing file or web page. And down here is where we're going to type the address. So HTTP, you want to make sure that you type this correctly, because if you don't, it won't give you credit. So I've already typed this in. I'm going to go ahead and just click OK. And that now becomes a hyperlink. If I click that, it will take me to that web page. Alright, insert a continuous section break on page 2, just before the heading Affordable Pricing. So here I am. I found the heading. I want to click before the A, and then I'm going to go to Layout, Breaks, and it told us that this break is going to be a continuous break. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now, if you're looking at this page, you say, hey, Mr. Sinclair, there's nothing there. What happened? If you're not sure if you've inserted that, you want to click the Home tab and click this Show Hide button. And what it will do is it'll show you everything that you might not normally see. And so we have the section break up here. I've seen students insert multiple breaks because they did not know that they had already inserted it. So if you're not sure, Home, the Show Hide button is right here. It's a backwards P. Alright, we're going to back up to the Bicycle Advantage section. And it says we're going to replace the bullets with a bike writer PNG file. So I'm going to go ahead and select my bullets here. And then I'm going to click the drop down box. And I'm going to click Define New Bullet. From here I'm going to click Picture. I'm going to click Browse. And we're going back to our documents. We're going to find the GMetrix templates. And we're going to find the bike writer file. And again, our file type's over here. Click OK, we'll click OK, and then it's gone ahead and replaced those bullets. And finally, we're going to go to the bottom of page 1. We're going to click this picture, and then we're going to apply the soft edge rectangle style. So anytime you have a picture, table, smart art, you fill in the blank, you get a special tab at the top if you click it. So we have the Pictures Tools formats, and it says we're going to apply a picture style. So I'm going to go ahead and click this drop down box, and I have a bunch of different picture styles. Now if you're not sure which one is which, make sure you hover over what it is, so we'll tell you what it's called. The drop shadow rectangle is not the correct selection. So I believe it's this one. Nope, next one. So we'll go ahead and click that. Once I'm done, I'll click Mark Completed, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Grade.